Good morning, my children. Welcome back to your LSS class. Today we discuss about great leaders of India. First of all, I say some important points about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. First one, when was Dr. Ambedkar born? When was Dr. Ambedkar born? 14th April 1891. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891. Next, who was the author of the book The Problem of the Rupee, Its Origin and Its Solution? Yes, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The author of the book The Problem of the Rupee was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. This book is one of his most popular books. Even today, it is counted among the best-selling books in India. Third one, which decision of Gandhiji's was opposed by Ambedkar? Which decision of Gandhiji was opposed by Ambedkar, calling the lower castes Harijanas? The next, when did Ambedkar receive Bharat Ratna? In 1990. The next, Ambedkar was appointed to an all-European commission in 1925, which was formed to study the constitutional reforms in British India. Name the commission. What is the name of that commission? Simon Commission. Next, from where did he begin his practice as a lawyer? From Bombay High Court. Who was the first Law Minister of India? Yes, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the first Law Minister of India. When did he become the professor in Law College? When did Ambedkar become the professor in Law College? In 1928, he became the professor in Law College. Next, who is the chief architect of Indian Constitution? Who is the chief architect of Indian Constitution? Yes, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the chief architect of Indian Constitution. The last one, when did B.R. Ambedkar die? When did B.R. Ambedkar die? In 1956. He died on 6th of December 1956. Ambedkar died on 6th of December 1956. Next I say about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. When and where was APJ Abdul Kalam born? When and where was APJ Abdul Kalam born? He was born on 15th September 1931 at Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. He was born in a Muslim family. He was born in a Muslim family. The next one, APJ Abdul Kalam was the Dash President of India. 11th President of India. APJ Abdul Kalam became President of India in 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007. Which award was conferred on APJ Abdul Kalam in the year 1997? Yes, Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna means India's highest civilian award. India's highest civilian award. At ISRO, what was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's first project? SLV-3 project. Answer is SLV-3 project. APJ Abdul Kalam was accorded with the title or APJ Abdul Kalam is known as the Missile Man of India. The Missile Man of India. Then next, in which year did he receive the Padma Vibhushan Award? In which year did he receive the Padma Vibhushan Award? In 1990. In which year? 1990, APJ Abdul Kalam received Padma Vibhushan Award. Next one. Name the title of the autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. What is the name of autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? Wings of Fire. Answer is Wings of Fire. In which Indian state is Abdul Kalam Island located? In which Indian state is Abdul Kalam Island located? Odisha in India. What was the former name of Abdul Kalam Island? What was the former name of Abdul Kalam Island? Wheeler Island. Wheeler Island was the former name of Abdul Kalam Island. The last one. APJ Abdul Kalam passed away on which date? 27th July 2015. APJ Abdul Kalam passed away on 27th July 2015. Children, next I say about Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. First one, when and where was Abul Kalam Azad born? He was born in Mecca on 11th November 1888. Once again I say, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was born in Mecca on 11th November 1888. Whose birthday is observed as National Education Day in India? Whose birthday is observed as National Education Day in India? Yes, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad birthday is observed as National Education Day in India. Which day is observed as National Education Day? November 11th. November 11th is observed as National Education Day. Who was the first Education Minister of India? Who was the first Education Minister of India? Yes, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was the first Education Minister of India. Which is the autobiography of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad? Which is the autobiography of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad? India Wins Freedom. Answer is India Wins Freedom. Who is the youngest president of INC? Who is the youngest president of INC? Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Next one, what is the importance of National Education Day? What is the importance of National Education Day? Answer is birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Last one, when Maulana Abul Kalam Azad died? 22nd February 1958. Abul Kalam died on 22nd February 1958. Children, you must write the poems in your LSS notebook and study the poems well. Okay? Now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. Thank you.